When people are going through a hard time, what do they need? Comfort, solace, support. And people more than anything else need someone to give them hope. Show them a light at the end of the tunnel. Convince them that they can get through this. They need that, and they need somebody to say that in a loving way, in a kind way, in a comforting way. One of the roles of the Quran in the life of a believer is, I'm having trouble. I need someone to comfort me. And guess what is going to comfort you? The word of Allah is going to comfort you. You're going to open up the Quran and you're going to read something and it's going to bring you comfort exactly in regards to your trial. One of my best friends in life, so he one time, like this is like maybe 12 years ago, he's like, hey, so Nouman, how do we get guidance from the Quran? Where do you begin? What do you look up, like an index? If you have problems with patience, read these ayat. If you have problems with health, read these ayat. What do you do? I was like, hey, try this. Next time you have a problem, just have a mushaf with you, a copy of Quran with you, and just randomly open any page and start reading. But read with the intention that you're looking for Allah to give you comfort, to give you guidance. 2 weeks in a row, every night I meet him at Isha, he says, hey, yo bro, it worked again. Yo man, it worked again. It was crazy. People don't know about this, man. This is so crazy. I had this problem, and I was reading, and like third ayah I read, I was like, whoa! That's exactly what I was... That's what it's supposed to be. Oh, it'll give you comfort. It'll become your companion.